Hey dude, yesterday I saw a girl in the bus depot, man. She was damn beautiful, buddy. She looked similar to Titanic movie heroine, man.
Girls are like that only, bro. Everyone are beautiful. All girls are like hanging bulbs, bro. If you on the switch, everything looks bright only. If you get the current bills only, you will go out of your minds, bro.
That is why I always use candles. I never switch on the light.
If girls are with us, we'll not watch the 35mm screen, bro. By paying 200 rupees, do you think they're going to theatre for watching the movie? No, bro. They're very cunning. They watch only girls' chain, bro. They'll not be able to control them. Do you know who is enjoying here?
Hey, the person who stops the auto only can get in. Others can't get in, right?
No, bro. You and the girl are not enjoying. The people who sit in the back seat, they enjoy.
You go and enjoy it. Sharp 9:30, that girl comes near bus stop. Hey, I think that's the girl whom I'm talking
Oh,
about.
God. I'm telling him not to go in the wrong path and go in right path. But if he is not ready to listen my words, how can I give him advice? Coffee drinkers can be advised, but alcohol drinkers cannot be changed, right? It's all my fate. Bro, what is going on, bro?
Hey, just come with me, man.
No one can change this idiot.
Hey, where did you go? I haven't
Oh
seen
my
you in the
God.
usual spot.
I was not feeling well. That's why I started.
Take a 90 rum, everything will be alright. Once you drink, you'll forget everything. Why not your problems? Oi!
Did you call me?
That two police are troubling me like anything.
Bro, don't go. What is happening over here? Shit. What happened to our nation?
What's this, bro?
Shut your mouth and go, bro. Bro.
That's my. Hey.
Bro, mix water and drink, bro, or else everything inside will burn.
Hey, you saw right. She's herself drinking raw one.
Bro, she's not good girl. She's very bad girl. She'll always drink like that. Oh God.
I'll take leave. You are not coming with me?
I'm
I
not
have
able
one
to
more
digest
90.
this.
I'll finish it
Oh
and
my
come.
God.
I'm sorry, bro.
did she
Don't
go?
mistake me, huh?
Okay.
She went.
Hey, bye. See you
Bro,
later.
where are you going? Waste fella. Hey, boss. Get me a drink, boss.
Excuse me. You look like you're coming from very good family. Then why do you do these kind of things?
Are you press?
Actually, I don't know where to and where not to press.
Are you from Daily Paper?
Uh-huh.
Then go and do your work, man. You're drunk. Go and sleep somewhere safely. Else you'll fall aside in the road. Someone will pickpocket you.
Huh, I don't even have a pocket to do pickpocket.
Hey, go man, go.
Yes, sir, we are
Don't
going.
stay here, go.
Okay, we are leaving. You're from? Did you have your dinner? As a girl, don't you feel ashamed to drink like this, huh?
Hey, why does you bother about me? Mind your business and get lost from here. Stupid fellow.
But still, I can't digest the things which you're doing. What do you say? Hey, where did you go? Oh, did you go to have one more 90? I considered you as my dream girl, but everything spoiled. What to do? If I go to doctor, he will just give me the prescription and not medicine. A person with a cigarette will not have a matchbox, and a person with a matchbox will not have a cigarette. My life is full of tragedy.
Bro, listen to me. She's not good girl, bro. Better leave her. She's not the only girl in this world. There are many more beautiful girls like her.
Hey, do I look like Salman Khan? To have an option like Katrina Kaif and Aishwarya Rai to have fun in the shooting location, she wouldn't have started with that intention. If her family people was really concerned about her, then why did she start doing all these nonsense kind of things? You tell me.
Point to be noted.
Ah,
Listen, bro. You're not in love. It's like you are sticking together like magnets. What do they say?
That is attraction.
What's your qualification, bro?
SSLC.
You were not interested to study or your father did not allow you to study?
Principal not allowed with me.
Oh. Okay, let's come to point. It's all about the attraction, bro. You go there, use her once and then come back. If the same feeling continues, then that is called true love.
is it so?
Then what else, bro?
Okay, give me money.
What? Go and do some work, bro.
Give me money.
I should only do batting and I should only do bowling. Thereafter, it's going to be very difficult, bro.
Just give me man.
Hey, save me, God.
All the best, bro.
For what?
Huh?
Thank you.